Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you struggling with the process of deleting your Uber account? Well, if you are, then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to delete your Uber account in Android device. Without any further ado, let's get right into our video. The first thing we're going to do is open our Uber app. Here, as you can see, right after opening your Uber app will be on the home page. From the home page on the below, you'll be able to see various options such as home, services, activity, and account. Here you'll have to tap on account. After tapping on account, here you'll be able to see various options such as help, wallet, and on the below you'll be able to see settings, messages, and so on. Here you'll have to tap on settings. After tapping on settings, here on the very first option, you'll be able to see add home, followed by add work, shortcuts, privacy, and security. Here you'll have to tap on privacy. After that, here you'll have to tap on privacy center that is located on the very beginning. Once you're on the privacy center, here you'll be able to see various options such as your data and privacy at Uber, ads and data, and so on. On the below, you'll be able to see account security category. There you'll be able to see account deletion. Here you'll have to simply tap on account deletion. Once you have tapped on account deletion, here you'll be asked to enter your phone number or your email address. Make sure to type in your phone number or email address that you have used while creating your Uber account. Once you're done typing your email address or your phone number, tap on next. Right after typing your phone number or your email address, you'll get a code on the phone number that you have used while creating your Uber account. Here you'll have to type in the 4-digit code. After that, here you'll have to also type in the code that is sent to your email address. For that, you'll have to go back and check your email address. Right after tapping on your Gmail, here as you can see on the very first option, there is Uber. Here as you can see, your Uber verification code has been sent. Here you'll have to memorize the Uber verification code and type it in. Once again, go back and go to your Uber account. Type in your code. Once you have typed in your code, here you'll be on the page where it is said delete your account. Scroll down and tap on continue. After that, here you'll have to choose a reason as to why you're deleting your Uber account. Here you'll get various options such as bad experience on a trip, bad experience with Uber Eats, and so on. Here I will be choosing the option no longer need account. After that, here once again, here it is said that if you change your mind, you can restore your account within 30 days by once again signing in on your Uber account. Tap on delete account option. And here as you can see, your account deletion request was successful. You will now be logged out. And just like that, you have successfully deleted your Uber account. This was an easy step-by-step tutorial on how to delete Uber account